Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. With Vox, imagine your AI coding assistant not just showing you code, but speaking to you, explaining its progress, or even playing background music. Vox provides voice personalities and expressive delivery for AI coding agents, letting you track progress by ear while your eyes stay on other work. The Hear It section demonstrates how Vox uses ElevenLabs v3 to generate samples, even changing voice moods with expressive tags like excited or weary. You can use Vox in 3 ways: as a Claude Code plugin with Vibe and music tools, as a Python library, or as a standalone CLI tool. To get started quickly, just curl the install script, then use /voxy in Claude Code to hear task completions or input needs. For natural voices and expressive tags, configure cloud providers like ElevenLabs, OpenAI, or AWS Polly by adding API keys to keys.anv, which is essential for advanced features. Vigla lets you run multiple AI coding agents as one supervised team, auditing every submission and making every mission reversible. You'll see how it handles even seeded failures. This section highlights Vigla's core capability, supervising agents like Claude Code or Codex CLI, each in its own Git worktree, with every submission audited and reversible. The No Install Replay lets you step through missions in the real Operations Room UI, running entirely on recorded canonical events without any vendor CLI or credentials. Vigla works by having you assign a mission within an authority envelope. A supervisor then arbitrates, reviewing submissions and deciding to accept, extend, scrub, or escalate. Comparing Vigla shows its unique cross-vendor worker roster and bound-based supervisor audit across workers, capabilities often not documented in other tools. Vigla supports real workers from the deploy panel, with integration tests verifying vendors like Claude Code and Codex CLI, ensuring robust vendor support. You can give an agent safe, scoped database access with tai-dynamic-postgres-mcp, avoiding arbitrary SQL. We'll see how it prevents SQL injection later. Tai-dynamic-postgres-mcp is a schema-driven generator for safe, scoped PostgreSDML tools in fast MCP agent systems. It introspects your database to create precise tools. Why use it? This project offers a controlled middle ground, providing a fixed set of generated, validated, and parameterized tools for agents. What it does is introspect your schema, generating a fast MCP tool per DML operation per table. It also supports injection-safe filtering and ordering. The security model is important. The generated tool layer controls which operations exist, while your PostgreSQL role defines what those operations can physically do. To install tai-dynamic-postgres-mcp, you can run it directly from Git with UVX, or install it into an environment using pip, making it ready to use. Instead of AI agents rushing to code, Map Framework helps you approve a plan before any code is written, preventing silent rework. The Map Framework section is just an overview, but it hints at a structured approach to AI-assisted development. Why Map Framework exists is simple. It eliminates common AI failure modes like unapproved architecture decisions or hard-to-review diffs. To quickly start, you install the Mapify CLI, initialize your project with a provider like Claude or Codex, then run commands like /mapplan to define behavior. A case study shows Map Framework can reduce a 90-day human estimate for a Kubernetes project operator to just 7 days by using a structured workflow. You should use Map Framework for complex backend features or Kubernetes controllers, but avoid it for typos or tasks cheaper to do directly. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.